Here comes Henry, right through the rockiest part of the ranch. This is a beautiful chestnut horse. As you can see, pretty head, real kind, walks up to you. He's never seen any of this before. There's going to be some ducks getting up off the pond in a minute. He absolutely will not give you any lip. Anyone that jump up in the saddle and maybe ridden a time or two can ride him. Stylish horse, in my opinion. That's why I own him. I plumb like him. Ducks flying around.